We're vacating our room. Oh, it's really sad. We're going home.
Rubbish. It's always the way on that holiday, isn't it?
Yeah. We had a lovely time, and normally we'd be like, oh, we're ready to go home because you've been so exhausted, but actually we've been so chilled.
Yeah.
We're actually out of work mode. And now it's going to be a real struggle to get back into work mode, I think.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, good so far. So we're going to go check out now. They're going to pick the bags up from our room without us, so they do all the bag work, and we just have to go and check out at 12. But in the meantime, we're going to go sit by the bar and read or scroll the internet or play a game, you know, whatever you do on your last day. Our last little look of our room, our view, our beautiful view. I'm so lucky. Also this one here, this island here, I think is the one and only reefy bar. Yeah. Bye bye, room with a view. And actually I'm glad we didn't change to a water villa or something with a pool, because it's been really nice just to have the sea and the sand straight outside your door. Whereas I think if we had a water villa with a 6-year-old, I can fully imagine her just going in.
Mm-hmm.
Steps
and swept away by the tide.
So when you've got small kids, you probably just think safety rather than anything else. And we definitely did. We were like, oh, actually being here, it sounds wonderful to have an over water villa, but actually being here, seeing it, and seeing how there's no railings or anything, and if you didn't have a pool, all you could want to do is go in the water, and the currents can be quite strong. So we did the right thing.
Yeah, 100%.
We did the right thing. Yeah. Anyway, we're off. Bye bye 104.
Nice and gently.
Yeah.
And right in the centre.
Another one, big one.
Goodness me.
Today we are going on an aeroplane.
We are.
Where are we going home to?
Sad.
Saudi. What's on your wrist, Peggy?
It's a Varu bracelet.
A Varu bracelet.
Yeah.
We've all been given one, haven't
They
we?
gave one to us. Oh, Power Rangers, I'll go. Really, really lovely. It was almost emotional, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a little bit. Yeah, all the bar staff that have treated us so well came round to make sure that they said goodbye to Peggy before they went on their lunch break, because they kind of work split shifts. So
We took pictures.
they knew that they weren't going to see us.
We took pictures.
We did, didn't we?
Yeah.
And they wanted to make sure that they all said goodbye to Peggy and to us, which was really, really nice. Some phenomenal people. The guest service is
I did
amazing.
the usual girl thing and welled up a little. It's just glassy. It's fine. But yeah, we have been treated very well here. It's been lovely. Really nice.
And now we get to go and say goodbye to Nisha, hopefully.
Mm-hmm.
Who's your favourite, isn't she?
Why can't I rub my eye?
Because you've got sunglasses on. Yeah.
Take a picture.
Oh, it's so cool. It's beautiful.
It's supposed to be in the reef.
I think it's stuck trying to get back out.
I made it jump a little, so it's fine.
Aloha! So we're all checked out now and we are in the Varu Lounge, which is like a holding place for people who don't have anywhere to go. That's us. We basically come here, you can have a shower. The bathrooms are really nice. This is the girls' bathroom. And we have just had a little wee shower, Peggy and I. And they have towels and amenities, so they've got like your body wash and shampoo and everything. I didn't shampoo my hair because I did it earlier. And in the boys, it should be exactly the same, but I haven't been in the boys' toilets because I'm a girl, obviously. Matt's just come out of the shower, so it's super steamed up. Exactly the same, literally identical. They've got lazy boy lounges, sofas,
Lazy boy lounges, we're going to buy
air conditioning, a large TV, although it's not on. And then there's a kitchen area where there is tea and coffee. So if you want to have a coffee or a tea, got English breakfast, green tea and sirloin green. Hot water tank, there's the little coffee machine, creamer pods, and then they have, in the fridge they have cold water. It's not a lot of cold water, but I think that we're the only flight, or the only boat leaving at this time. So we've decided to take sort of advantage of this area where we've got two lazy boys. There's a TV there behind Matt, and there is a, what is this?
PS4.
PS4. PlayStation. We don't have PlayStation. Sorry. I'm like, what is this? What is this? What is this?
Anything of the sort.
And they have currently Fast and Furious, which Peggy will not be playing.
We've only got half an hour now, hey?
Yeah, we only have half an hour, but the TV's there. I think if for older kids, maybe. How was your shower?
Lovely.
Lovely. Just
Blooming
warm.
hot.
Just warm, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're kind of doing last minute checks, last minute packing, and then we're going to get our speedboat home and head to Malé Airport and then onto Doha and then back to Riyadh.
What?
Riyadh.
Rehab.
Not Riyadh. Riyadh. I'm tired. It was really emotional saying goodbye to everybody because we've been here for 2 weeks now.
Yeah.
It's kind of
The staff have been
sad.
so good, and they've just been. It's kind of. It's weird. It's like they've let us into their lives. Like we know what they do out of hours, if you like.
Yeah, they were
Really
sharing
nice.
like their down days
Really
with
nice.
us. So they get their day off a week, and they were saying that they go to their staff bar and they have a great time, and then they sleep it off, and like normal young people do, like drink and then sleep it off. But it's been such a lovely break. Well needed, well deserved, I think, on all of our parts. Peggy doesn't want to go, but obviously she is now just typical child mode and is full on into the iPad. Thank you.
You want me to take this?
Thank you.
So we're not too late, huh?
King of the boat! King of the boat! King of the boat!
What are we paying